Hi everyone, wealthbeingcom. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys a subtopic of technical analysis, the trend line. As usual, before we proceed, please read through the disclaimer. Please take note that the information and opinions provided in this video do not constitute any investment advices or recommendation. You may pause the video if you need more time to read. Let's look at definition. What is trend line? So trendline, as we know, trendline are probably the most common form of technical analysis. In their most basic form, an uptrend line is drawn along the bottom of easily identifiable support area. So sometimes we call it a valley. Then in a downtrend, the trend line is drawn along the top and easily identifiable resistance area, the peak. So for support and resistance, we have another video on this support and resistance. You may watch that video as well. What's next? How to draw the trend line, right? So actually it's pretty simple. All you have to do is to locate the two major tops or bottoms and then connect them. Sounds easy, right? Let's look at example. We will start with uptrend line. So this is the chart. Looks for the lowest point. Then we find the next lowest point. Then we draw a line to connect these 2 points. Then this will form a uptrend line. For downtrend lines as well, similarly, we will look for the highest point. Then we will find the next highest point. Likewise, we will draw a line to connect these 2 points. Then it will form a downtrend line. Not really that hard, isn't it? Next, we will be looking into this type of trend. So how many type of trend do we have? The first type will be uptrend. So how can we identify whether is it uptrend or downtrend or no trend? So uptrend, we are looking for higher high, higher low, higher high. For downtrend wise, we are looking for lower low, lower high, and lower low. No trend means probably moving sideways. Hence, there's no new high and there's no new low as well. Let's look at some tips and tricks for trend line. Okay, as I mentioned just now in the previous two chart, how can we construct a trend line? By connecting 2 points. However, there's one very important area we need to take note. To confirm that this is a trend line, we need a third point. Okay, so as I mentioned previously, at least we need 2 tops or 2 bottoms to draw a line, to draw a valid trend line. But it takes the third point to confirm the trend line. Let's go back to that example. So just now we drew this. So how to confirm whether is this a valid trend line? You can see that there's this third point, fourth point. So we can confirm that this is in the uptrend line. Likewise, to just now the example on downtrend as well. After we connect the 2 points, then draw the line, and we can see that actually there are several points that touching this line. So there are third, fourth, I think there's a fifth one at the bottom side that I didn't highlight it. The second tips is the steeper the trend that we draw, actually the less reliable it is going to be, and it's more likely it will break. What does this sentence means? Let's look at one example. This example. So are you able to identify the trend line? So this is a trend line, right? So it's steeper compared to the previous example. Hence, it's likely to break out the trend line as mentioned in that statement. So this is a breakout area. The third point will be actually similar to the horizontal support and resistance levels. Trend lines become stronger and the more times they are tested. We mentioned this in our another video of the title support and resistance. You may watch that video as well. Lastly, do not ever draw a trend line by forcing them to fit the market. If they do not fit it right, then the trend line is not valid one. So don't force any line to fit into the chart. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully by now you have better understanding on trend line and you know how to identify them. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page as well as visit our website at wealthbeingcom. Thank you.